made it, where you at?
Rightio, hey guys, we're back. I need to turn the fuel back on, which is down.
A few moments later.
Are you warmed up? Definitely not.
No, it just stopped. Now I hit my shin.
On what? Oh, okay. I might just go down the hill and come back up quickly.
Yeah, just run.
Okay. No, that's great. I had no idea what's gonna happen. Right, it's so slippery. What's good? Oh, that was my fault.
Got it.
Let's go. Lord, nothing broken this. Bro, that was so annoying. It just like, I landed on it and then it just wanted to, and then I gave it that little bit of gas to get over it, the thing just slipped and then the whole bike went with it. It was really annoying. What's good?
I can't ride it. Not with my wrist.
Damn.
I could ride that, but I just can't do it.
Oh, it's all good.
You can keep riding.
Oh, that was so fun. I slipped. I went around and then the two logs were like overcame and then this and the whole thing went. I got this! Don't check. Let me just try to refigure out this situation. This is really bloody annoying. Right, not again. It's in the same freak.
Got it.
Okay, I'm just gonna like move this shit that way. The same freaky ticky spotty twice the other way. Okay, I wanna do this. Get down the hill and I reckon I'm done. I've been smashed too many times in the head. I haven't even checked my camera. Shit, I actually probably should check my camera. Yeah, I know before I said it's day 2, it's day 3 actually. It's pouring. That little kid is snoring. He was this morning.
Xavier likes yours.
What the hell? No, Theo.
No, Xavier.
We totally film this because this is so safe.
Don't be a drop it right here. Come close.
We're dropping some air.
It's not going to explode straight away, so don't be a about it. But once you do drop it, I said don't be a about it.
Maybe we should just grab the other one. It's like at. It's like at. I can smell it. Nice. Now smell that. Oh my god, that just exploded everything. Bro, what the? Yep.
Yeah. Where's the lid?
Oh, that's just empty.
The fabric.
Okay, I'll get through it eventually.
Yeah, I think this guy's a pedo.
In Paris. Whoa. And have daughters.
There we go. Now it's gonna be lit. Literally.
You made it, where you at?
Yeah, Dad.
Pretty lit.
Oh, mate. You think I could jump on it and jump off?
Oh, 100%.
I'll give you $20 to jump that on this 230.
You could do it!
How close do you think I can get?
Oh,
a meter.
Point out a spot. You okay? I can touch it.
It's okay, you're only wearing
Full cotton.
full
Full
cotton.
flammable what is this?
Close up.
Bro, why are you trying to shadow box it?
I was trying to touch it. Swear to God you had eyebrows before you went.
I know more pubes.
You look like you went through chemo.
Okay, roll, duck and fly over him.
Nanny's watching.
Oh,
Tough as. That was awesome. That was like tough as jelly.
He wants to go on the swing.
I want to go on this.
I'm gonna eat crap. There you are.
Go up there.
Bruh.
Just squirt water on me.
Ready?
Sit down and kind of tiptoe you off.
Yep, go. Ow! That was a lot less cool than what I thought it was going to be like last time with Dylan. It's really sad. Oh, now I'm like hanging like I'm 2 meters in the air. Oh.
I look so beautiful. That was faux show.